How does a USB flash drive work? If you remember the excitement of the early 2000s, you likely recall the arrival of USB flash drives. These tiny devices changed how we stored and shared our digital lives. But how do they actually work? At the heart of a USB flash drive is something called flash memory. This special type of storage retains your data even when the device is unplugged. Inside the flash memory chip, there are millions or even billions of tiny electronic switches known as transistors. Each of these transistors can be either on or off, representing the binary digits 1 and 0 that computers use to store information. When you save a file to a USB flash drive, the device converts your data into these binary numbers. It then sends electrical signals to the transistors to switch them on or off. Each transistor has a floating gate that traps electrical charges. If a charge is trapped, it represents either a 0 or a 1, depending on how the device is designed. This means your data remains safe even when the drive is not connected to power. To write data, the flash drive applies a higher voltage to move electrons onto or off the floating gate, effectively turning the transistor on or off. Erasing data works by applying voltage to remove these trapped electrons. However, because this process involves moving electrons, flash memory cells can only handle a limited number of write and erase cycles before they start to wear out. The flash memory is organized into pages and blocks. Data is written and read in pages, while blocks are groups of these pages. This structure helps the flash drive manage data efficiently and quickly. In the context of the 2000s, USB flash drives were revolutionary. They replaced older storage methods like compact disks and floppy disks, which were often bulky and slow. These drives were small enough to fit on a keychain, fast enough to transfer music and photos in seconds, and reliable enough to store your digital life. The convenience of USB flash drives made them a staple of that era's tech culture. They symbolized the shift toward portable and digital convenience. Whether you were saving school projects, sharing music with friends, or backing up important documents, USB flash drives were the go-to solution. In essence, a USB flash drive works by using flash memory made up of tiny transistors that store data as electrical charges. This technology allowed people in the 2000s to easily save, transport, and access their digital files, marking a significant advancement in personal data storage.